Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to update all apps on iPhone at once. If you want to, if a lot of your apps are out to date, this is what you can do to update all of them at once. To update all your apps at once, you just have to go to your App Store first. So let's go to my App Store. So once you log into your App Store, this is the next thing I want you to do is this. If you check the top right corner, you are going to see your profile icon over there. I want you to tap on that profile icon to take you to your personal account, the back end of your App Store. So once you tap on that, it will take you to your back end on your App Store. What I want you to do is just this. I want you to scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down, you are going to see where it says update all apps. You can see this update all. It is telling me now that I have 22 apps that are outdated that I need to update. So if I want to update all these 22 apps at once, I will just tap on update all. You can see the update all is written over there. So once I tap on this update all, it will update all the 22 apps for me immediately. So guys, this is how you can actually update all your outdated apps at once on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.